Hi everyone, and welcome to our AI Express channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the new Apple Vision Pro, which was announced at WWDC 2023. This is Apple's first foray into the AR/VR space, and it's a very impressive device. It has a powerful processor, a high-resolution display, and a wide range of sensors that allow for immersive AR and VR experiences. Processor. The Vision Pro is powered by the M2 chip, which is the same chip that's found in the latest MacBook Pro. This means that it's incredibly fast and powerful, and it can handle even the most demanding AR and VR applications. Operating system. The Vision Pro runs on a new operating system called Vision OS. This operating system is specifically designed for AR and VR, and it makes it easy to create and use AR and VR experiences. Cameras. The Vision Pro has a total of 12 cameras, which are used for a variety of purposes. The front-facing cameras are used for video chat and for tracking your head movements. The rear-facing cameras are used for capturing 3D images of the world around you, and the side-facing cameras are used for tracking your hand movements. Display. The custom Micro-OLED display system features 23 million pixels, more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, delivering stunning resolution and colors. And a specially designed 3-element lens creates the feeling of a display that's everywhere you look. AI. The Vision Pro uses artificial intelligence to power a variety of features, including object recognition, gesture recognition, and voice recognition. This makes it easy to interact with AR and VR experiences, and it makes the Vision Pro a very powerful device. Scan. The Vision Pro has a feature called Scan, which allows you to scan real-world objects and create digital models of them. This can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating 3D models for gaming, design, or education. Movie experience. The Vision Pro can be used to watch movies in a virtual theater. This is a great way to watch movies with friends or family, or to simply relax and enjoy a movie in a new way. Ambient spatial audio makes sounds feel like they're coming from your surroundings. Gaming experience. The Vision Pro is a great gaming device. It has a powerful processor and a high-resolution display, which makes it perfect for playing demanding VR games. Music. The Vision Pro can be used to listen to music in a new way. You can use the Vision Pro to create a virtual concert hall, or you can simply listen to music in a more immersive way. Photo. The Vision Pro can be used to take photos and videos in AR and VR. This is a great way to capture memories in a new way with more depth, or to create stunning visuals for your projects. Video. The Vision Pro can be used to record and edit videos in AR and VR. This is a great way to create new types of videos, or to simply share your experiences with others. Usability. The Vision Pro is very easy to use. It has a simple interface that makes it easy to find and launch apps, and it has a variety of features that make it easy to interact with AR and VR experiences. The Apple Vision Pro is an impressive device that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to experience AR and VR, and it's sure to be a popular device for gamers, movie lovers, music lovers, photographers, and video creators. Apple's new AR headset, Vision Pro, has a starting price point of $3,499. Thanks for watching.